Today, let's get to know about Viscose&Polyester Fabric. Viscose-polyester fabric is a versatile blended textile that combines the natural comfort of viscose, also known as rayon, with the durability and resilience of polyester. This blend offers a balanced performance, making it suitable for a wide range of apparel and home textile applications. It is typically composed of 30 to 70% viscose and 30 to 70% polyester. The ratio can be adjusted to enhance specific properties. Viscose, derived from wood pulp, provides a soft, breathable, and moisture-absorbent quality, while polyester adds strength, wrinkle resistance, and shape retention. Viscose enhances breathability and absorbency, making the fabric comfortable in warm weather, while polyester improves durability, quick drying properties, and resistance to shrinkage and stretching. You are warmly welcome to make an inquiry.
Okay, follow our channel to learn more about textile products and production process.